Hey everyone, I want to come to you with a part series on habits and behaviours, as I believe leading into the new year this is going to be crucial for people who are wanting to change their lifestyle for the better. So a really great quote that came from Andy Morgan was, "We are the product of our habits, not our occasions." So we need to stop beating ourselves up off one less ideal situation. So for example, you plan this really kind of on point, stay within your macros, stay within your calories dinner, and your friends decide that to come around and have a few drinks, and all of a sudden you have had a couple of drinks, 3 or 4 drinks down the line, you're over your calorie goal for that day, but you had an amazing evening with your friends. Beating yourself up on that one single occasion when for the last 4 or 5 months you've been spot on and hitting everything and achieving your goals is not worthwhile. It's the other way around when we're kind of every weekend going out and having those 4 or 5 drinks and going over our calorie target and therefore not achieving our goals. That's when you want to reassess the situation and reassess your habits. So a one-off occasion is not an issue. However, if your habits are more every weekend you're going out and ruining your progress, then it's something that we need to address and look into. So that's where I come to you with this part series on different habits and how to ingrain them and exactly what are they and why do they create the lifestyle that we wish to lead. So the first thing I want to remind you as well is that to stop looking at things with a time frame. So for example, what I mean by this is ingraining habits in order to achieve a weight loss goal and therefore maintain that weight loss goal. It's important to see these as a long-term lifestyle change. They're not a short-term fix or they're not a 12 or 6 week plan. So someone that leads a healthy lifestyle and someone that lives at a happy, healthy weight has usually ingrained some great habits in order to either achieve that or manage and stay there. And these habits allow that person to constantly live and fulfill that healthy life and healthy weight. So if you are someone who is at the moment thinking about, I need to lose a bit of weight, look at it as I need to change some things within my life in order to make sure that I can lose the weight and then maintain it forever. It can't be a thought of, all right, it's January, I'm going to smash this for 6 weeks and then I'll go back to my old ways, because then you get that yo-yoing kind of situation where you're on it and then you're off it. Weight loss and weight maintenance is never an on it, off it situation. It's more about ingraining the habits and behaviours to ensure that you can achieve and sit at your ideal or goal weight.